Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install a digital menu board on any TV in 3 simple steps. Setting up a digital signage doesn't have to be complicated. You'll only need 3 things to get started: the digital menu file you receive, a USB drive, and your TV. That's it. Step 1. First, connect your USB drive to your computer. Once your computer recognizes the USB drive, simply copy the digital menu file into it. Once it's finished, safely remove the USB drive from your computer. Step 2. Now find the USB port on your TV. Depending on your TV model, it's usually located on the back or the side. Simply plug in your USB drive into the USB port. Step 3. Now open the file manager on your TV and go to the USB drive. Find your digital menu file, select it, and press play. And that's it! Your digital menu board is now live. And guess what's the best part? You don't need any extra hardware, no additional cables, no complicated setup. Once it's installed, you don't need an internet connection to run your menu, and there are no monthly fees. That's how simple digital signage can be. Copy, plug in, play. We create the menu design for you, you just plug in it and play. I hope this video helped you to understand how simple digital signage setup can be. If you need any more help or have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you are looking for a custom animated menu board for your restaurant, feel free to send us your menu on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Bye bye.